Hey, what is going on guys? Tech Enthusiast here, and this is an Antutu benchmark video between the iPhone XR against the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. So we have the A12 Bionic going up against the Kirin 980, 3GB of RAM versus 6GB, and the rest of the specs you can see on these sides. Now with that being said, let's get started. So the iPhone XR finished first and overall it scored higher. In the breakdown of the categories, the iPhone XR scored higher on the CPU and GPU, the Mate 20 Pro scored higher on the UX and the memory. And it just goes to show that Apple has done a fantastic job with the A12 Bionic. So that wraps it up for this benchmark video. What did you think? Do let me know in the comment section. If you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, then please do consider subscribing as I have more videos coming up, so make sure you have that bell notification enabled. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.